Parneeti?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
All good.
Huh.
Parneeti, just the way you mentioned that had you not lost your job in Procter & Gamble because of the recession, then do you think you would have been an actress, or you could have probably been like a marketing personnel out there and could have never pursued this career?
No, I keep saying this, that if it wasn't for the recession, I would, let alone acting, I would have never come back to India. I wanted to settle down in London. I had gone there because of that. And recession नहीं होता तो मैं भी किसी बैंक में काम कर रही होती. Not in marketing at all. I wanted to be an investment banker. I'm a banker by profession, by qualification. What am I saying? By qualification. So I would have never come back here.
Hi, Parin.
Sorry, just 2 minutes. I can't hear also.
You'll go by.
Ji. 100%. What are you saying? 100%. For me, I don't think like that. I just, and you know, lots of people associate these things. They say, would you do a love-making scene? Would you wear a bikini? Would you go bald? All these things, for me, I don't think like that. For me, it's like another crying scene or another laughing scene. You know, whatever the script requires. If I believe in the script, so whatever they're saying, I will believe. If I'm doing Pa, for instance, he didn't have to think, I will have to do prosthetic makeup. It went with the role. So then you don't differentiate between these things. I mean, at least I think like that. I would not do a film because there is some drastic step that I have to take. Not at all. No, not really. But if the role was so powerful and the script was so powerful that, you know, I thought it would make a difference to me as an actor, I would not even think about it. बाल उग जाएंगे यार वापस क्या है 6 महीने में आ जाएंगे वापस.
Parineeti here.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Hope the same for you. So I wanted to know, you just complimented Alia Bhatt's hair, and we just saw that her video has gone viral, in which again you're playing a sport as much as she did. So can you tell us a little about the interaction back then?
In fact, in that video, we are not friends.
Yeah.
I mean, the role is that I'm a competitor and I'm this bitchy actress who doesn't like Alia and all. You know, that was the fun of it. And it was so much fun because all those people who were involved, Alia, me, Arjun, Karan, and Shakun, who's directed it, also AIB now have become friends, you know, Tanmay, Rohan, etc. We're all like a bunch of friends, and, you know, they thought of doing this video and they had all decided. And in fact, I think they only thought of me to do that part. And in fact, you know, they thought I would probably say no, because I think most actors would say no, that I don't want to be part of a video which is actually about Alia. But when they told me, I laughed so much. I was like, of course I'm doing it. And we weren't able to find time, and we did it in the middle of the night. But that's what I'm saying. If you're convinced that you have to do something, you don't have to really think about it. And I think the great thing is, the only risk was that people wouldn't take it in the right way. People might think I'm actually bitchy, or people might think that Alia is actually being so dumb. But the point of the video was to do it in jest. And I'm glad that, you know, everybody's understood it for the intention that it was made for, you know. And I'm glad nobody's misunderstood the video. That's a great thing that's happened.
Hi, Pariniti.
Hi, ma'am.
This is
hi, sir.
Zakir Sisodia from Makrana Magazine. आपने अभी तक अपनी लाइफ में कितने शैम्पू कितनी कंपनियों के यूज किए और क्यों?
I think जब मुझे नॉलेज नहीं थी, तो जो भी सबसे सस्ता होता था वो मैं खरीद ली थी. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था. लेकिन आई थिंक आप भी रियलाइज करते हैं कि यार आपको एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट जो आपको सूट करता है वो यूज़ करना चाहिए, जो आपके बालों के लिए सही हो. तो जब मुझे नॉलेज आई, सो नाउ एक्चुअली आई ओनली यूज पैंटीन, एंड दैट्स द ऑनेस्ट ट्रूथ. Not because I'm the ambassador, because actually my mom recommended it, and then I happened to also get offered to be the face. Yeah. So now I use only one, because now I know it suits my hair. But otherwise I've used like millions before I knew what was good for me.
पेंटीन के लिए आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
Sorry, फिर से बोलिए.
पेंटीन के लिए आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
This is the end. This is the end of my life. Sorry, please say it again. बिल्कुल correct पूछना. हाँ. Pantene ने
आपको चूज किया,
हाँ.
तो इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो? क्यों
किया है भाई, बताओ. They love my hair. Yeah, you know, it's so funny. You know, there one company and see also because I used to work at P&G, so I know how they work. पीछे से वो लोग कैसे चूज करते हैं लोग. But honestly, अगर वो मुझसे मिलते और उनको लगता कि नहीं इसके बालों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, they wouldn't have signed me on. They really want to believe. They use no hair extensions. They don't do any color pigmentation to make it look brighter. Nothing. They do no fake tricks, which many people do. Which I think is so cool of them, you know. I could easily say, no, listen, I only wear long hair extensions to make my hair look long or wear a long wig. Nothing. What you see in the ad is 100% real. The way they've shot it, it's amazing. They always, in fact, sometimes you have to fight. You know, sometimes you have to say, I'm not looking good in this shot, but they say, no, but it's the real shot, so we want to use it. You know, so I think that they must have chosen me for some kind of honesty, compatibility that they must be finding. That's what I feel. I don't know.
Pariniti, Shekhar
We'll
from
take that as a
Samay.
last question. Thank you.
Yeah. Pariniti,
she's
Shekhar
not
from
happy
Samay. Pariniti, you just said कि आपको बहुत पसंद है ऋतिक और शाहरुख के बाल. तो मेरे ख्याल से आप ऐसी हैं कि आप इंस्टेंटली तुरंत पूछती होंगी ज़रूर कि अरे यार तेरे बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं, कौन सा शैम्पू यूज़ करते हो. तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ उनसे, आपने उनके सीक्रेट जानने की कोशिश की उनके बाल इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं, वो कौन सा शैम्पू यूज़ करते हैं?
नहीं, वो बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं, मैं उनसे
I
उनका
don't think
शैम्पू
so
नहीं.
कि आप ऐसी नहीं है कि आपको किसी के बाल अच्छे लगे और आप ना पूछे अरे यार तुम्हारे बाल
हाँ,
बहुत
कुछ
अच्छे हैं.
लोगों से मैं पूछ सकती हूँ, लेकिन जो नाम आप ले रही हैं उनके सामने जाके ऐसी बातें नहीं निकलती.
Oh, really?
या उनके सामने
I don't
जाके.
think so.
You don't think so? I'm telling you. This is the truth.
Okay.
That नहीं, मैंने उनसे जाके शैम्पू नहीं पूछा, but अब आपने मुझे बोला है तो मैं उनसे
definitely,
पूछूंगी.
आप
मैं
पूछें.
उनसे पूछूंगी.
Okay,
हाँ.
okay.
Any time that you tried to experiment with your hair and you had a very horror experience in ऐसे कोई experience हुआ है कभी trying
Oh.
maybe with any style or anything?
No, that's not really happened. बट मुझे डिस्टिंक्टली याद है कि होली के बाद मतलब 10 दिन तक बाल नॉर्मल नहीं होते थे. हमेशा लगता था कि बहुत कड़क है, बिकॉज हम लोग पक्का रंग यूज करते थे. हम लोग बहुत, क्योंकि मैं अम्बाला से हूँ तो वहाँ पे बहुत पक्की होली खेली जाती है. सो दैट्स ऑल आई रिमेंबर. अदरवाइज अभी तक इट्स नॉट गॉन रॉन्ग. या बिकॉज ऑल्सो वी वर्क विद एक्सपर्ट्स, जिन लोगों को मतलब ये लोग सालों से ही कर रहे हैं, तो वो लोग पहले ही ये सोचते हैं कि हमारे बाल खराब नहीं होने चाहिए. सो अभी तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
परिणीति, ये
Yes.
कभी आपने सोचा है ये
We'll have
बॉटल,
that as a last question. Huh?
Yes,
That's it. Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you.
ये जो बॉटल के ऊपर स्टार बने होते हैं लाइक डैमेज प्रोटेक्शन, देन उसके बाद छोटा सा स्टार है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? कभी आपने जानने की कोशिश की है?
कहाँ है
बॉटल के
ये?
ऊपर देखिए टॉप पे.
ये
हाँ, वो क्या
हाँ,
है?
टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस, राइट?
तो वो क्या
इज इट
एग्जैक्टली?
टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस?
नहीं, मैं उनसे जानना चाहता हूँ कभी उन्होंने पूछा, सोचा, समझा इसके बारे में या नहीं?
हाँ, तो बॉटल की रिसर्च करने के बाद जो मैं रोज करती हूँ 3 घंटे मुझे पता है आंसर. यू नॉट सेड दिस, दिस इज माई आंसर. सो इस स्टार का मतलब ये होता है नहीं, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. नॉर्मली अच्छा, बाय द वे, जब मैं पीएनजी पे काम करती थी तो पैकेजिंग वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ माय जॉब. एंड normally a star is terms and conditions apply as part of any legal contract. You all know that if they say अरे 3 दिन में ये होगा, they'll always put a star saying 4 दिन भी हो सकते हैं, 3 दिन का आप 3 दिन मत बोलना. This in particular, because they are claiming, it's a claim, I think you have to give a clause where you say that, you know, these are the things that may happen. In this case, if she's saying that this is where the research has come from, that's the source of research. इतना मत सोचो.
Well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pariniti, for
Thanks,
giving
thanks,
us
thank
your time. Thank you for supporting us
Thank
on
you
this.
so much.
Ladies and
Thank you,
gentlemen,
guys.
once
Thank
again
you.
for Pariniti, can we have a round of applause?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dear friends, we have lunch served outside. We request you to please proceed for lunch.